Hi and welcome. Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Sending Sunshine 4x6 clear stamps and coordinating dies. These products are sold separately. I'm so excited to be sharing these adorable bunnies with you today. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video to see several ways to use these cuties. I'm going to stamp the images at one time and give you a few measurements on them. The top bunny measures approximately 3 and 3/16 of an inch wide by 2¼ inches high, and the bottom bunny measures 3 inches wide by 2 and 3/16 of an inch high. You're getting 4 flowers and 4 sentiments in this set. The coordinating dies cut out the bunnies and the flowers. Now I do have some samples here to share with you. In the first sample, I colored this cutie with my Zig pens and paired it with the new Buttercup pattern paper. Here you can see how the bunnies fit into the newly released pocket die. So cute, right? And my last sample shows how they fit on the new slimline envelope die set. I hope you found the Sending Sunshine product reveal helpful. Please be sure you share with us on our Facebook group, Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration, and use the hashtag Whimsy Stamps across your social media. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.